Hello friends, welcome to BScAgriculture. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to see about entomology's crop-based pest classification, and I am going to cover the topic pest of jackfruit. So which usually comes under the family Moraceae, and the scientific name is Atrocorpus heterophyllus, and it is the pictures of the jackfruit. So these are the common name of the diseases and the pest as well as the scientific name and family and order present in the jackfruit. So let's see one by one in this video. So the first one we are going to see about is the fruit borer of jackfruit, where the scientific name is Magronia cialis, and which usually comes under the order Crambidae and family Lepidoptera. So the host range which is only used to affect the jack, and the binomics where the eggs are said to be laid on the tender shoot as well as on the flower buds. So it is used to majorly laid only on the soft part of the plants, and the larva which is said to be a reddish brown color one with the black spots and a pale brown head. So you can able to see and identify it in the pictures, and pupation which used to takes inside the tunnel, so which is nothing but where the larva used to eat all the material inside the stem, and which used to act as a tunnel for this larva, and the adult which used to have a gray brown apical patterns on the wings. So these are the characteristics of the fruit borer. And so while seeing about the damage symptom, so the caterpillars which used to bore into tender shoot flower buds and also the developing fruits, and which used to create even tunnels inside them, and so the damaged shoot wilt and drops and bud dry and drop down are the major symptoms, and we can also able to see the rotting of fruits once it used to affect the fruits. So the management is remove the affected parts, and also the spraying of phosphopidon 0.3% on during the inflorescence period is an effective method. And so the next one is bud weevil, so which is the one of the major pests in jackfruit, and the scientific name is Ochiromira atrocarpi, which usually to comes under the family Curculiundi and order Coleoptera. The host range is mainly jackfruit, and the adult which is said to be a small grayish brown color weevil. You can able to see the picture. The damage symptom, so the grub used to bore inside the inflorescence, tender bud and tender fruits, so which is mainly resulting in bud drop and bud down, where as a result the yield is said to be majorly reduced, and the management which is collection and destruction of affected shoots and infested and fallen flower buds and fruits, which is an effective method, and spraying corporate at 0.1% is also effective measure for controlling the bud weevils in the jackfruit areas. And so the next one is leaf caterpillar, where the scientific name is Glypodius bivitralis, and which used to comes under the family Crambidae and order Lepidoptera. The host which used to is mainly jackfruit. And so while seeing about the characteristics of the larva, where the larva is said to be a light yellow color with black dots present in the first two segments of the larva as well as in the last final segments. So the larval period is mainly around 24 to 30 days, and the pupal period which is said to be around 8 to 10 days, and you can able to see the adult one which is said to be a light yellowish color with the silvery white markings on them. So the damage symptom is damage to foliage, so which is said to be an eating of larva. And so the next one is hairy caterpillar, where the scientific name is Perina nuda, and which usually comes into the family Limantidae and order Lepidoptera. So the host range, so which is used to have a variety of host range which are mango, jack, and several species of fiscus species. And so the binomics larva which is to be around 8 to 11 days, and pupa which is to be 9 to 15 days, and adult which is to be show a sexual dimorphism where the both male and female can be present in the same insects. So the damage symptom which is a larva which used to scrape the chlorophyll content and feeds gregariously in the affected plants, and it used in several cases. The complete defoliation of trees can be found in the most late cases. And so while seeing about some other characteristics of the hairy caterpillars, the female which is said to be with brownish white wings, and the male with half brownish and half transparent wings. So it is the pictures of the hairy caterpillars. And so the next one is spittlebug, where used to comes under the family Cosmocrata relata, under the family Cercopidae and order Hemiptera. So it is a sucking pest, and both nymph and adult, which used to cause the damage of sucking through sucking. So these bugs which used to suck the sap from the tender shoots and leaves, so which used to causes curling up of leaves, and sometimes the swarm appears. The whole area is to be converted into a frothy section, where you can able to only see the unhealthy leaves, and the nymphs which is to be found inside the common moss froth, generally on stalks and yellow shoot, and also even in the ripening fruit. So which used to also causes an yellowing and terminal drying of shoot. So you can able to see there is a presence of spittlebug in that area. And the second one, the froth moss, which used to consist of fluid void from anus and mangus secretion, and also from epidermal glands, which used to getting infection of the secondary infections from the pathogens, which used to act as an opening site. And next, the adult, which is to be an large sized bug with reddish head, and also it used to have a pronotum and forewing with the reddish markings, or the characteristics of the spittlebug. So the some other species of spittlebug are Clavinus lineatus and Cosmomota relata, which is to be a red color. And some of the minor insects are lacewing bug, aphids and thrips. So I have given the lecture notes in description, so comment about the video and join us in the Instagram page, which is also in the description page. So if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BScAgriculture and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. I'll catch up in next videos.